In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple automated to-do list in Monday.com. Full tutorial, 2026. We're building a simple workflow that keeps your board tidy automatically. The idea is straightforward. When a task's status is marked Done, Monday.com will move that item into your completed group for you. No more dragging items around or hunting for finished work. First, open the board in your workspace where you manage your to-dos. Make sure you have a status column on that board and that you already have a group called Completed. If your group names are different, that's fine. Just remember which group you want finished items to land in. At the top of your board, click Automate to open the Automation Center. This is where you can set up rules using a simple sentence builder. Choose Create from Scratch so we can define a custom rule that fits this exact scenario. You'll see a sentence that starts with, "When this happens." Click that phrase to pick your trigger. From the list of options, select Status Changes to Something. This tells Monday.com to watch a specific status column and react when its value is updated. Next, click Status to choose the exact column you want to monitor. Select the column named Status on your board. If you have multiple status-type columns, make sure you pick the one that tracks task progress, not a label used for something else. Now click something to choose the value that will activate the rule and select Done. With this, the trigger becomes when status changes to Done. Move to the action half of the sentence and choose Move Item to Group. This action will file the item into a specific group the moment it's completed. Click Group, then select Completed from your group list. If you don't see it, confirm the group exists on this board and that you have access to it. Give your rule a quick read to confirm. It says, when status changes to Done, move item to group Completed. If everything looks right, click Create Automation to save it. Test your setup by changing a sample task's status to Done. You should see it jump into Completed almost instantly. If it doesn't, double-check that you selected the correct status column and the right group, and ensure you have permission to use automations on this board. You can always return to Automate to edit, pause, or duplicate this rule later. And that's it. Your to-do list now organized